Welcome to Fancy Japanese. Today's topic is trending slangs in 2025. In Japan also we have many slangs. Slangs are normally created by young generations, may be used in social media first and expand to daily communication. We have many slangs as English has. Some slangs are used not only among young generation, but are also used as like normal Japanese. But in this video, we would like to focus on trending slangs in 2025, this year. And these trending slangs are still very new, so these are used in social media among young generation. So if you're interested in these slangs, then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain these 5 slangs. How many do you know? If you've heard some of these in social media, if you're on TikTok or Instagram. So, let's go deep today. Then, let's start with first one. First trending slang is huro kyanseru kaiwai. Huro means bath. Kyanseru means cancel. Kaiwai means community. So, huro kyanseru kaiwai means a social media community or group of people who frequently cancel their bath plans or people who don't take a bath for long days. This word emerged on X, which was Twitter, as users began sharing their experiences of postponing baths due to laziness or tiredness. Japanese normally take a bath every day. But for those people who are in huro kyanseru kaiwai, they don't take a bath every day. Maybe some people take per 3 days or even 1 week. Recently, this word, huro kyanseru kaiwai, is kind of trend word. But this is not that serious. This is more like funny phrase. But still, if we say, I don't take a bath for 3 days, then people might be surprised. Really? Wow! Example phrase with this one would be 今日は疲れたから風呂キャンセル。今日 means today. 疲れた is tired. 疲れる is basic form and 疲れた is past form. So, this means I'm tired today, so I will skip the bus. 今日は疲れたから風呂キャンセル。Without saying kaiwai, which is community, we will also use it as huro kyanseru, as cancel the taking bus. Next example would be 私は1週間お風呂に入っていない風呂キャンセル界隈です。私は1週間お風呂に入っていない風呂キャンセル界隈です。1週間 as 1 week, 入っていない as present progressive but haven't taken or haven't entered, depends on the context. So, this phrase means I am who haven't taken bath for a week and in bath canceling community. 私は1週間お風呂に入っていない風呂キャンセル界隈です。Okay, next trend word is ビジュいいじゃん。Or we can just say ビジュいい。ビジュ is come from visual, which is visuals. And いい means good. So, ビジュいいじゃん is an expression meaning your visuals look good. Or you look great today. You still compliment someone's appearance. Because Japanese really care about visuals appearance. So we use visual, which comes from visuals, a lot. In recently, we don't really say visual, we just say it as biju. This is popularized one of the boys group song with the phrase, 今日ビジュいいじゃん. The example phrase would be, おはよう、今日ビジュいいじゃん。おはよう、今日ビジュいいじゃん。おはよう means good morning, as you might know. So, this means, good morning, you look good today. おはよう、今日ビジュいいじゃん。Next example would be, あの人めっちゃ美女よくない？あの人めっちゃ美女よくない？あの人 means that person. めっちゃ is same as とても, which is pretty much or very much. So, this phrase means, that person looks very good, doesn't he? Maybe this phrase is often used by the girls who likes boys idols. あの人めっちゃ美女よくない? Maybe I like him. Instead of saying かっこいい, which is cool, 美女よくない is similar meaning. Okay, next trend slang is kairuka. Kaeru means frogs. Ka means like change to something. So kairuka is the sudden loss of romantic feelings when the crush actually shows affection back. It is often used for a partner. This slang derived from the fairy tale The Frog Prince gained traction on social media where young people share their love-related anxieties. So we use this word, kairuka, when we see something very awkward or like strange to our partner, and we feel like, ooh, I didn't know that he or she is kind of person. I lost my romantic feelings. So example phrase is, 彼, which is 好きな人の食べ方が汚くてカエルか。彼 which is 好きな人の食べ方が汚くてカエルか。好きな人 means crush or a person who I have a romantic feeling. 食べ方 means way to eat. 汚い means dirty. So this phrase means the way how my crush eat was dirty. So I lost romantic feelings to him. This is serious one. I have a romantic feeling and I feel he is good, but maybe I don't want him anymore. Next example would be, 夫が変なダンスを始めて帰るか。夫が変なダンスを始めて帰るか。夫 means husband. 変 means strange or silly. 始める means start. So this phrase means, because my husband started silly dance, I lost my romantic feelings to him. And this mark, we call it wara, but wara means LOL. So in this case, this phrase is not that serious. Because I saw his silly dance, I lost my feeling, but it's not like serious one. I still love him. I still like him. But the dance is too silly or awkward, so I feel like, ooh. So we can use kairuka for both serious way or like funny way. Next trend slang is kyapai. Kyapa comes from capacity, which is capacity in English. So kyapai means too much to handle, being overwhelmed because one's capacity is exceeded. This kyapai is a shortened form of kappa over, which is capacity over. This kappa over was popularized on social media among students and young workers to describe stress or exhaustion. Many people use kappa over, even not young generation like 40s, 50s, but this kyapai was recently created by young generation. Example phrase would be, 今週はいろいろキャパイ。今週はいろいろキャパイ。今週 means this week. いろいろ means various or several things or different kind of things. So this phrase means, this week I'm overwhelmed with several things. 今週はいろいろキャパイ。Okay, let's move on to final trend slang. Ehho, ehho, blah, blah, blah. We have a phrase after ehho, ehho. Ehho actually doesn't mean anything. Ehho is a sound to carry a heavy stuff. When we carry the heavy stuff on the shoulder, sometimes we have a sound like ehho, ehho. This ehho, ehho phrase is a meme-style sentence pattern. We normally say like, ehho, ehho, I have to tell you that, blah, blah, blah. This is often used to make light of serious or obvious statements. This phrase was created from TikTok videos where creators added ehho, ehho to emphasize important declaration. The example phrase is, ehho, ehho, 夏休みが明日で終わるって伝えなきゃ。This is kind of song, so we have to make a rhythm when we use it. So I'm gonna say it again. Ehho, ehho. 夏休みが明日で終わるって伝えなきゃ。夏休み means summer vacation. 終わる means finish, end. 伝えなきゃ。伝える means to tell. And 伝えなきゃ is an obligation for that. So means have to tell or must tell. So this phrase means, ehho, ehho, I have to tell you that the summer vacation finishes tomorrow. In this case, this is obvious. We would like to emphasize the summer vacation will finish tomorrow, which is sad. And we have to prepare for that. So we can say, ehho, ehho, 夏休みが明日で終わるって伝えなきゃ。Another example would be, ehho, ehho, 10キロ体重が太ったって伝えなきゃ。Kilo means kilogram or kilometer. In this case, kilogram. 体重 means body weight. 増える means increase or gain. So this phrase means, ehho, ehho, I have to tell you that my body weight increased 10 kilogram. You know, this is just a funny stuff, but Japanese really care about body weight. We wanna hide our kilogram. But in this case, we publish our weight with funny phrases, ehho, ehho. Ehho, ehho. 10キロ体重が太ったって伝えなきゃ。Do you get the rhythm of this phrase? We can see this ehho, ehho a lot on TikTok or Instagram right now, so you can easily find it. Please check the social media to learn how they use it. These are 5 trending slangs in 2025. If you use these to your Japanese friends, they might be surprised. Please practice using these. That's all for today's video. Hope you learned something new today. Let's enjoy Japanese with slangs, so that you can speak Japanese like a Japanese. If you like this video, your like is very appreciated. And also, please subscribe this channel. Then see you at the next video. Bye bye. さようなら.